You open the Shiftsmart app ready to browse flexible jobs, pick up shifts, and earn extra income. But after a few minutes, you start wondering, are these gigs reliable? Do they pay enough? And is Shiftsmart really a dependable platform in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test work apps, gig platforms, and earning tools so you know what's real, what's helpful, and what's not worth your time. Today we're breaking down Shiftsmart to find out whether it's the flexible workforce solution many people claim it is. I tested Shiftsmart for several days across multiple job categories: call support, retail audits, surveys, and local gigs. I tracked earnings, shift availability, communication with support, and onboarding speed. I also compared Shiftsmart to platforms like Upwork, Instawork, and Steady to understand how it stacks up in pay consistency, job variety, and reliability. After hands-on testing, I now know where Shiftsmart works well and where users need to be cautious. Shiftsmart advertises flexible work, fast payouts, and access to jobs you can pick anytime. The pitch is simple: choose your shifts, get paid quickly, and control your schedule. But does the app actually deliver stable opportunities? And can it really help you earn meaningful income in 2026? Step 1. Job availability. Shiftsmart offers gigs in customer service, audits, and temp work. Availability depends heavily on your location. In busy cities, shifts appear regularly. In smaller areas, you may see far fewer options. Step 2. Pay rates and earnings. Pay varies by project. Some tasks offer solid hourly rates, while others feel low for the required time. Most gigs pay after approval, usually within a few days. Fast enough, but not true instant payout. Step 3. App interface and usability. The app is clean and simple. Shifts load quickly, instructions are clear, and uploading proof or completing tasks is straightforward. However, some users experience occasional glitches when schedules update. Step 4. Training and requirements. Certain projects require training sessions or simple assessments. They're not difficult but can take time, and in some cases, the training is unpaid. Step 5. Support and communication. Support is decent but not fast. Response times vary, especially during rush periods. Some tasks require manual approval, and delays can slow down payouts. Step 6. Reliability and consistency. The biggest concern: consistency. Shiftsmart provides flexibility, but it's not a full-time job replacement. Opportunities fluctuate, and relying solely on it can be risky. So, is Shiftsmart the workforce platform you need in 2026? Pros: flexible scheduling for extra income, simple interface and clear task instructions, variety of gig types depending on your region, decent payouts for specific projects, good option for part-time or supplemental earnings. Cons: job availability. Depends heavily on location. Some shifts pay less than expected. Slow approval times can delay earnings. Support isn't always fast. Not consistent enough for full-time income. Bottom line: Shiftsmart is a solid option if you're looking for extra cash, flexible side work, or occasional gigs in 2026. It's convenient, legitimate, and easy to use, but not reliable enough to replace a stable job. If you expect steady shifts and predictable income, you may need to combine Shiftsmart with other gig platforms. If this review helped you understand whether Shiftsmart fits your 2026 earning goals, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Leave a comment telling me which gig platform you want reviewed next: Instawork, Upwork, or Steady. Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping your apps, tools, and income work smarter for you.